Hey guys, welcome back to our video. And today I am actually going to do a meal time with my buddy. Hey guys, it's Dizzy Piggy. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, it's Croc. The Santa Croc beard. Oh my god, okay. So, we are actually gonna get right. I'm broken. Go ahead and start the intro. Oh my god. Okay. So I'm gonna restart the intro actually. Hey guys, welcome back to our video. I am with my buddy here, and I am actually gonna be doing a meal time. As you can see, my Jags are pretty cool, pretty full, I guess. I don't even know. But yeah, let's get started. Oops, I'm star. Oh my god. I'm starting now. So yeah, let's get started. So first is from my buddy, a rare pumpkin mask. Thank you so much. Yeah. She must have saw my video where I got scammed, but yeah. Giant Lynx plushie. Thank you. Here, I don't have much. Sorry. It's fine, Sarah Cat 17. Thank you so much for gifting me. Let's be buddies. I am already buddies with you. Okay. Neen Scoot. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your username. But thank you for the pink sofa, even though it's not pink. Copycat Gaming, you are my buddy. A straw hat, thank you so much, Copycat Gaming. And I will be doing a collab with you. Spooky Mellow is actually the person that was with me in the video where I got scammed. So, sorry, I got slammed, not much. Scammed? Yeah, I got scammed too. But thank you so much. And then this one is from KMOSS1. Elf Tail Armor, thank you so much. Enjoy. Bow and Arrows, thank you. Mayra. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce her username. Mayor81. Mailbox Time. Rare Fairy Princess Hat, thank you so much. You rock. Thank you. You rock too. You look so awesome. Oh, okay. And she just gifted me something. Thank you for the rare dragon mask. And Jamalde cozy shoes. Thank you so much. Do you have any shirt collars I can offer for? No, I don't actually. Sorry. Hi, I mind gifting something from my mailbox. Would anything helps? Thank you so much. Sorry, I can't right now. Do you want to exchange flower crowns? No, thank you. I already have a black one. Happy Hair 123. Pilgrim hat. Thank you, and hi back. Hi, gifting me. Okay, gifting makes me happy. I hope this makes your day. Rare Clover Bracelet, thank you so much. Sweet Monkey 161, Epic Sun Hat, thank you so much. Wait, are you recording? Yes, I am recording. Frosty Penguin 6, thank you again. And then last one, which is just for my buddy. XD, I'm done. That was quick. Oh well. Thank you all for gifting me. Y'all are the best. I just really appreciate y'all gifting me. And yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. And I will see y'all in my next video. And yeah. Bye.